Hi guys, I want to discuss about my final project today, and it means we are in sprint 3 now. So we're coming to lecture is Sai and tutor Alianasi, and client is Shravan, and supervisor is Godly Chakapan. And coming to the sprint 3, in this sprint we have developed like remaining user stories, that is 8. It's like according to the required material we created first user stories, and then now we have like made it for the all the tasks, so it will be like a whole project write up is with all the user stories required, and the tasks are completed now, and we are also in the final stage of testing the project product. And what did I accomplish in the task? In this task, I'm creating the user stories and subtasks for the third sprint, and allocate the subtasks for the specific user story. And I have tested the developer modules and ensure that everything is working correctly and functioning according to the requirement. Yeah, means all the user stories are like working better. All the functions of the product are going well. Means whatever we thought, like, yeah, it's going like the way. How did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project? Means where I have applied all the knowledge into the product. But of my experience in quality assurance of several industry level product, I will check the product's conformance to the requirements and ensure data validity and integrity in the project and database. It's like we have seen different kinds of products, which are different types of websites, which has the same kind of dealing with the customer and the management. Like we took like three different types of case studies and worked on them. So while seeing them, we got to know many points about the how it should be, the tab for director, tab for manager, tab for staff member or a customer. So we are making that according to the way we thought it to be. So what did I learn from the last sprint? I have learned that real data testing, when we compare that retrieved records with the original database records for the authenticity. Yeah, so when coming to the thing, we have seen data according to your requirement. Like we have all the user stories were like in the up to 22, but now we are like mid 30 user stories for the sprint 3. What could have gone better in the sprint 2? It's like uh, we have made out the as the development is not completed, it isn't easy to perform the applicants integration testing, as like uh, we can know that from up to the last sprint we haven't made any application program, its final application. So we have made a code for up to the half of it, and now it is like in the final stage. Now I have tested different types of options in it, and now we are okay that the application is functioning well with all the user stories. All the means final requirement for the client is justified with the application. And in the last sprint we are like made only like around half of the user stories and half of the project, half of the product description. So it's like now it's in the final stage, only little bit of like changes. So yeah, it's in the final stage. Little errors, we are fixing them. It will be finished by within a 2 days or 1 day. Yeah. So yeah, coming to the product, that's in the final stage, and all the user stories are fine, and the project write up is also completed, and we've done with the posters, and we are ready for the presentation now. Yeah, we have done with all the 2 3 sprints, so it's like three sprints of agile methodology. It's in the uh, three sprints and the end of the uh, product and the project. That's the thing. Thank you. See you guys.